welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited to bring you these Dollar Tree DIY room decor and home decor ideas. I hope that you enjoy. If you do, please give it a thumbs up and let me know. Also, I want to know which one is your favorite. I really love the first one. The third one, I think, super creative too. But I'm probably gonna say that my favorite is the last one. So let me know which one is your favorite and let's get started. I am starting with this basket from Dollar Tree and I'm starting at the bottom with some hot glue and going around and around and covering it in nautical rope. I'm actually using one from Amazon, which is a little bit narrower than the Dollar Tree one. I tend to buy a whole bunch of this one on Amazon and the price per foot usually comes out to be pretty reasonable, so I will link it for you in the description box. But of course, you can use any rope you like for this. So the trick here is to only go up as high as you want your bottom base color to be. I'm going to be doing it in black, and I think I should have stopped a little bit lower with the rope, but it still looks really good. You'll see in a minute. So now it's easy to cover the entire rope portion with some thick black paint. Chalk paint is great because it gives great coverage and it also dries really quickly. And once it's dry, I came back with the hot glue and the nautical rope and just continued going around and around again and again, all the way up to the top now. You could definitely continue right on down inside the basket as well if you prefer and if you like the look of that better, but I'm gonna leave mine for now and see how it goes. I also wanted to add handle details on here, so I tied a piece of the Dollar Tree nautical rope, which is a little bit thicker and I think it looks nicer as a handle. I tied 2 knots and then just glued those in place to look like handles on here. Obviously, you can't pick up any heavy things with this basket, but it does make a super cute piece of decor. Let me know what you would use it for or what you think I should use it for. Now, the next one is a quick one. I took apart this Dollar Tree frame I did back in the fall time, and I'm covering the inside portion with this black and white floral contact paper from Dollar Tree. And then I was debating what stickers to use because Dollar Tree has so many choices and I wanted to put something inspirational on here. I ended up actually just spelling out the words crazy faith after a very inspirational teaching that I heard on faith from Transformation Church in Oklahoma. You could actually watch them right here on YouTube. So Mike and I do that sometimes in the evenings. And the message was really good and really inspirational. They have a whole series called Crazy Faith. So anyway, I'll see if I can link that in the description box for you. But if you just search for Transformation Church, you should be able to find them. Anyway, I think the black frame looks really good, but I went with a gold one because I wanted it to coordinate with my new office and desk space better.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights.
The next one is super cute. I took 2 of these wood box frame decor pieces from Dollar Tree. They usually have these for every season. Of course, these are the Valentine's ones, so I wanted to pry the heart off to save it for a future DIY and also so that the wood tray will lay flat and sit flat on the counter or table. You'll want to paint the whole thing whatever color you like. I used white chalk paint, but I was kind of rushing and I just wasn't crazy about the visible brush marks that were still showing once it dried, so I ended up giving it a quick coat of white spray paint on top of that after all. And once it was all dry, I took 2 of these candle holders from Dollar Tree in 2 different heights and I glued the taller one upside down in the center of the first box tray, and then I glued the next box on top of that and the smaller candle holder upside down in this tray now. I did this all with hot glue, but if you do want something a little bit sturdier, you might want to try something like E6000 or maybe go back and add like a little bit of super glue or something like that in there along the edges as well. Be careful and gentle because it's not super strong, but it is super cute. I also used a little more glue to add a clear shower curtain ring to the top to look like a handle, and I did even do a little bit extra glue around the edges of where we attach the candle holders onto the painted wood, but you could also do something with super glue or E6000, whatever you prefer. I think this would be perfect for jewelry, little perfume bottles, ribbon, hair clips, bows, any little things like that. It costs under $5 to make, and I'm kind of thinking of adding it to my daughter's bedroom for her little accessories. I think she would really love this. For the next one, I took this canvas decor from Dollar Tree, and at first I was going to paint over it with maybe white or tan colored chalk paint. I kind of actually wish that I did do a tan chalk paint, to be honest, but I decided to do it in the light pink chalk paint because I have little bits of like pink and gold accessories that I wanted this to coordinate and match with, if that makes sense. So I simply then came and added these wall art stickers from Dollar Tree to create a meaningful and inspirational message. I love decor that sends me positive reminders throughout the day. I did come back and add this little strip of gold metal beading along the top and bottom. This is actually just a sticker sheet from Dollar Tree that you can cut into the length and width that you want for your project. Just a really easy way to add a little accent on here. Moving on, I've got the 7.5-inch glass vases from Dollar Tree and also found longer wooden sticks in their craft section. They are like longer wooden dowels, but if you can't find those, you should be able to do this with their wooden skewer sticks instead. Just cut the sticks down to the height of the glass. I couldn't find my cutter, so I was kind of lazy and just used like a heavy-duty scissors to kind of score like a line into the wood all the way around, and then I just gently snapped it one way and then pushed it back the other way to break it off. And they actually broke off very easily and neatly. So if you're in a pinch, this is what worked for me. Anyway, I painted them all black. I used spray paint, but use whatever works for you. And then I also measured and cut 3 pieces of black ribbon from Dollar Tree, long enough to go around the vase and also enough to overlap just a little bit. And then I used hot glue to do one right around the top, one around the bottom edge, and then one around the center. I did that for all of them, and then I used a dab of hot glue on the top and bottom ribbons to add the wooden sticks on opposite sides of each vase, standing up vertically like this. You can make as many of these as you want, and you can position them however you want in order to make them look like they are connected. I feel like these vases have kind of like a modern farmhouse, almost industrial look to them, but do you think that they look better with flowers or with candles? Let me know. Anyway, be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you're still here and enjoying this video. Let me know which one was your favorite idea, and I have so many more DIYs coming soon, so please consider subscribing if you haven't already. I would love to have you. I wish you a beautiful, blessed day, and I will see you soon in the next one. Bye!